Hey guys, Chris here again, the Nice Garage. It's really not that nice, but it's just a cool name, I guess. Getting ready to tear this Jimmy apart, and there'll be videos on that later. My kids are going to help. But I found something interesting behind the spare tire, which was never used. It was, looks like it was, well, it's the original Uniroyal spare tire. The rim's clean. I don't think it was ever changed. The jack is in place. The rubber band that they put around the jack is still here. And I found down inside there jacking instructions, and it came with a little kneeling mat and a pair of gloves, which I'm surprised. I don't think I've ever seen this before. I guess most of the time, you know, in 18 years, you're going to change a tire or put a spare on. But not in the case of this Jimmy. It's a 2001. It's got 79,000 miles. Friend gave it to me for helping him out with something, and it's four-wheel drive. Not that matters, but we're going to be doing something with this here pretty soon. So, but anyway, I thought that was pretty neat that this still had a mat. Again, I've never seen it before, and a pair of gloves, you know, to help you with when you need to change your tire. So, and if you guys have any comments on that, please leave them. Thanks.